P2 Battery Installation Guide. Check the parts. Open the packaging box and ensure all parts are present. Remove the battery base. Insert a key into the battery lock and rotate it clockwise. Hold the battery and slide down to remove the battery base. Install the converter. Turn the bike upside down and use the Allen wrench to remove the controller cover. Take out the controller. Disconnect the yellow socket between the controller and the main battery. First, connect converter A to the main battery. Next, connect converter B to the charging port on the bike. Finally, connect converter out to the controller. Place the controller first, ensuring it's pressed towards the rear wheel direction. Leave some space at the upper end of the controller to fit in the converter. Insert the wires into the controller box, and secure the controller cover with screws. Be careful not to pinch the wires when tightening the cover to avoid damage. Install the battery base. Place the battery base with the wires facing downward and secure it with screw washers. Measure the distance between the screw hole and the controller box. If it is longer than 8 cm, a converter is needed. Place the converter as shown in the video and pre-hold the top 2 screws. Use the Allen key to tighten the top screws. Remove the pre-hold screws in the middle. Secure the battery base to the converter to finish installing battery base. Install the battery. Insert the battery into the base and push it all the way in. Turn the keys counterclockwise to remove them. Insert the battery connector into the charging port. Press the battery switch, and you can start using the P2 battery. Remove the battery. Use the key to insert into the battery lock. Rotate it clockwise, hold the battery, and slide it upward to remove the battery. Pinch the blue anti-reverse device on the charging head and rotate it counterclockwise to disconnect the battery connector. Extra functions of the P2 battery: lighting. Press the battery switch to activate the battery. Press the flashlight switch to turn on the flashlight. Press it again to switch between modes. Slide the flashlight lens to adjust the beam focus. Extra functions of the P2 battery: charging USB devices. Open the USB plug, use a USB charging cable to connect your device for charging. Open the charging port cover and connect the bike's original charger to charge.